Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share how to make rose water with fresh flowers at home itself. This rose water that is made at home with fresh flowers is very pure and can be used in face packs, biryanis or some sweets, and even to cleanse eyes for freshness and good eyesight either in the morning or evening. So now let's get into the video and see how to make this rose water. Here you can see I have taken rose petals from bunch of 4 roses, and now take a vessel and transfer all the rose petals to this vessel. Once the rose petals are transferred, now place a stand or bowl as shown in the video in the center of the vessel. As I don't have a stand that fits here, I placed a bowl like this, and now I am adding 3 cups of water to this, and now place a bowl above the stand and make sure to place the bowl exactly in the center of the vessel like this. Now take a dome shaped lid, preferably like this, so that water vapor collected on this lid condenses and drops through the center of the dome to the bowl that is placed in the center of the vessel. Also remember to place the lid inverted as we need to collect water. Here you can see this gap, so make sure to seal all the gaps that are there. To seal the gaps, here I made dough with wheat flour, and I am sealing this with this wheat flour dough. Now switch on the stove and let the water boil on low to medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the vapors are not let out through any openings. So here I have taken extra wheat flour dough, and I am trying to seal the edges of this vessel also like this. Here you can see as we have closed all the openings and sealed them thoroughly, all the water vapor is already collected on the dome shaped glass lid, and you can see that also here. Now allow the water to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame and leave it undisturbed. Here the water condenses and drops into the center. After leaving it undisturbed for 10 minutes, we can see all the water condensed and it is dropping into the center of the bowl that is placed in the center of this big vessel. Now here I am trying to peel off all the sealings that we made with the wheat flour dough. Rose water that we are making in this method is very pure and distilled than the store-bought rose water, as the store-bought ones contain chemicals, but here we are using fresh flowers to make the rose water. After removing all the sealings, now carefully remove this top lid, and here you can see we have collected this much of rose water from 4 roses. Here you can see all the water that we have poured is evaporated, and very little of the pure distilled water is collected in the bowl that we placed in the center of this big vessel. So this is the actual rose water, and it is without any color. And here you can see all the rose petals have changed their color. They became pale in color, and this is the exact and pure rose water that we made at home. Now transfer this pure rose water to a glass bowl or a glass jar and allow it to cool completely, and then store it for later use. This can be used in face packs or sweets or biryanis, or even to cleanse the eyes. For example, today I am showing how to cleanse eyes using rose water. Here I have taken glass eye wash cup, and I filled this cup with 3/4 water and 2 to 3 drops of homemade rose water that I made. Here you can see my son is cleansing his eyes with this water. This way we can cleanse our both eyes at least once in a day, and as we have not added any chemicals and we made this with fresh roses, this is very safe and pure with the good fragrance. So friends, try making this rose water with fresh flowers and do comment how you liked it. If you like my videos, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.